There are so many terrific nonprofit organizations that help island families when they need it most, perhaps to provide much needed shelter or food, help struggling keiki with their studies, or offer a safe, welcoming place for spiritual growth and support. However, as you can imagine, with high demand for these services, coupled with tight operating budgets, sometimes these organizations devoted to giving could themselves use a helping hand. One easy way to help nonprofit organizations save money is by lowering their energy bills. That's where Hawaiʻi Energy comes in. Our nonprofits assistance program provides qualified organizations the resources to purchase and install energy-efficient equipment that'll cut their electricity costs for years to come, free of charge.
All of the bulbs were at no charge to us because I had an estimate for $7,000 to dispose of them. Were disposed of properly at no charge to Habitat. So that $7,000 got used to build a home.
Our team of advisors will take a good look at your organization's energy use and help you understand when and where you're using the most. Then we'll work with you the whole way to select a project to do, match you with contractors to complete the installation, and make sure you get the best service for the lowest price.
Just from start to finish, they've been a huge impact for us and an awesome partnership. They really put us in contact with a lighting retrofit company to help us with this project. They helped us in every step of the way.
The bottom line is we can help your bottom line by shaving your energy bill, allowing you to utilize that money to actually further your mission.
Every month knowing that our electricity bill is going to decrease is perfect. It's just such a great fit for us. We're so happy to be able to reduce our expenses here and reinvest that money back into the mission of really helping our partner families in need.
See if your organization qualifies. Visit us online at hawaiienergy.com/nonprofit.
We're just so grateful and so thankful that we were selected as the recipient of such an amazing project, and we couldn't say thank you, mahalo, mahalo, mahalo enough.